So on the first things to do in Sintra, right? So if you're following our itinerary, we were in Lisbon, headed up, so we're on our way to Porto, but a quick stop over to Sintra I think would be a good vibe for you. So first up, we're here at the Castelo dos Mouros, all right? So if you want to know a bit more about the history, read it as I'm talking, all right? So essentially what it is a military fortress built in the 10th century by the Muslim. I said it as American. Muslim occupiers of the Iberian Peninsula, all right? So this is about 440 meters of elevation. So heads up for anyone that has knee problems, pregnant, or just general general back problems, innit? So let's head on up, and I'll show you the views from there.
You are with your chopstick legs, bro. Get out of here, man.
Sorry, is that the third trimester talking?
Whoa!
What?
What do you do?
Move your finger away from the viewfinder.
Got it. Wait, snap. Sorry, the uncle vlog is.
Goodness gracious.
So we're at the top of. Where are we at the top of?
Castelo dos Mouros. I the first time. To make sure I got that one right.
Bro, when I tell you, yeah, my legs are burning, bro. Put my knee pads on, shoes were in sports mode, and yeah, for reals. No, but honestly, the hike up is mad, but the view is.
See, mate, only knows views.
Yeah, man.
Vibes. That's all I bring.
Yeah.
Anyway. Alright. Look, I found another mountain. His nose.
Jesus, hold on. Just gotta get in there.
And we found Benagil Caves.
Conception.
Alright guys, so we've just parked the car on our way to the Palacio, and one thing I realized is you can get a bus here, you can get tour buses here, and if you're actually going to the Castelo de Mouros by public transport, thank you, then you may want to come this way, and there's a second entry point to the Castello which also works. So now we're just going to make our way up to the Palacio and see you there.
And that was the Palace of Pena. Now, if you want to know more about the history, well, guess what? I've got the facts ready and up and running for you. So,
History lesson.
Oh no! Guys,
get the hell out.
Skip it. Just go to the next segment, which will have Miomo. Come on.
If you want to skip it, you skip it. But in 1838, King Ferdinand II decided to buy this piece of land from the Lady of Pena. Now, as soon as he bought it, he went on a massive excavation project and trying to turn it into his. It is basically like a fortress / a kingdom, and that is what is the Palace of Pena today. Was that so bad? Anyway, but irrespective of that, the azulejo tiles, yes, we used it properly in a sentence. was amazing nevertheless. We had a vast variety of colours. So even if you want to be a Gen Z and a millennial and decide best place to take an Instagrammable picture, this is the place to be. Alright? So we're going to try and see if we can grab some lunch and onwards to the next spot.
We are now here at Azenhas de Mar, and in my humble opinion, this is a hidden gem, brabs. Okay, and we're here for the main reason that the view is just astronomical. Now, when you look carefully, you get this kind of Amalfi Coast type of vibe, and that's why we're here. But also seafood, man. Like, we're gonna go get some seafood, which you can check out in one of our other food videos in Portugal. Okay, but Mo, do you know what time it is?
It's montage time.
Damn right, it's montage time. Let's go. We're gonna call it a day here because we've got another place to go to for you guys. So before we go, don't forget to like,
Subscribe, comment,
share,
and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future bangers. Alright?
ThreeManAbroad and... Whoa. Are you okay, bro?
I'm sorry, my days. Did the view get to your head, big man?
It really did.
You know, man's not here right now. He's somewhere else.
We'll do that again.
Alright guys. ThreeManAbroad out and peace.